I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. I like to move it, move it. You like to move it. Hey ECLC family, today I'm your mystery reader and we're going to read the book Little Penguin Gets the Hiccups by Tad Bentley. Oh, hello. It's so nice to meet you. Franklin said you would be here soon. I wonder if you may be able to help me. You may have noticed I've got a terrible case of the hiccups. It's driving me cuckoo. It all started last week on chilly night. I'm not sure how many penguins you know, but let me give you some advice. Never give chili to a penguin. It gives us the hiccups. I can't get rid of them. Frederick told me to stand on my head. Chester told me to drink backward from a cup. Albert told me to stand on my head while drinking backward from a cup. Nothing works. But Franklin has given me a new idea and I need your help. Apparently, giving someone a good scare is the surest, bestest way to cure the hiccups. So I need you to scare me. But I really don't like being scared, so be nice. You're going to say boo on 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3, boo! Is that it? Let's try again. Louder. This time. 1, 2, 3, boo! Pretty scary. Maybe that cured my Will I have the hiccups forever? One more time. Shout. Go crazy. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Franklin, what on earth are you doing? You told me to stand here and wait for a good scare. And then you go and jump out on me, so now my feathers are all wet, and my mom will go bonkers because she just washed them the other day. Now I'll have to wait until I'm ready to be scared again. Hey, hold on. My hiccups! They're gone! Oh, thank you ever so much! Let's celebrate with a nice spicy taco.
The end. Okay, UCLC, I'm going to give you 3 guesses about who I could be. Number 1, my favorite color is yellow. Number 2, my favorite food is tacos. Number 3, I am a speech teacher at ECLC. Who could I be? You ready? I am Miss B. I miss everyone so much. I hope to see you guys soon. I hope everybody's doing well. Catch you on the flip side.